Hi there, it's me, Gamer Ty over here. So I'm here with Hermione. Well, Hermione right here. I'm about to open up my chocolate frog. See what character I got. So this is the character I got, Gritty Bald. I got my chocolate frog. This is really good. He's the inventor, Bertie Botch. He's the inventor of the candy, the Forever Beans. Quite by mistake, his original purpose was to create tasty sweets from food. After an accident during his experiment, he recognized the sales potential of the flavors that range from delicious to disgusting, including marshmallow, grass, soap, and earwax. Please subscribe, support me on my Patreon page. See you next video. Bye.